Rub the mayonnaise on. Okay. Rub it all over. Now get enough mayonnaise to put on the next bread too.
Okay.
That's okay. Now just a little bit of
What
mustard.
I'm living for right now, 'cause what if tomorrow never comes? I'm not waiting for the confetti to fall.
And you put a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a little bit. Okay, too much. That's enough.
Where are hot dogs going? Where's the hot dog? Have mayonnaise?
Now, close the mayonnaise.
Okay. Open the mayonnaise.
Close the mayonnaise. Get the cap for the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise, Geekos. That's turkey.
Where?
Get the cap for the mayonnaise.
This?
Uh-huh, and close it. You got dirty hands?
Yeah. Daddy, Mom. Mom!
I'm looking at you through the camera.
Mom! Mommy, Daddy! Mom!
Okay, now put the mayonnaise and the mustard away. Back in the fridge. Mayonnaise. Let him do it. Okay, that's good. Drop it. Shove it. Okay, come on. Put the turkey.
Someone needs to stop looking at me.
It's okay, we're all looking at you. The whole world is looking at you.
Even God.
Put a little bit more turkey, baby. That's not enough. Put like 3 more slices.
3 more slices.
Tippy toes too. You can put a little bit more.
Put 1 more. Like that? Like that?
And close it. Put the knife in the sink.
And then put the turkey away.
Open that drawer. No. Open the drawer.
Open the drawer, Angel. This one right there. This one? Yeah.
Close the fridge. Now, take a bite out of your sandwich.
Okay.
Let me see you bite it on the video. You made your own sandwich. Yummy! Yay! Kiko's made his own sandwich. 5 years old. Okay, enjoy.